when you're at home, in a safe place, and the lights suddenly go out, it's night. You become uneasy. You're looking for a candle or a flashlight. The hair on your arms stand on end. Now that feeling that you're having, the someone else in the room, is the wild. It's saying, I'm here, I'm still here. The Okavango Delta is just about the size of Switzerland. A vast wetland wilderness comprising thousands of islands, channels, lagoons. A true wilderness area, unimpacted by man, unfenced. Myself and my brother are going to attempt the first unassisted crossing of the Okavango Delta. Boys family, the Bush boys, crossing the Delta. I don't know, Swiss Family Robertson type stuff. This is a huge undertaking. No one has taken camera equipment like this, a crew this size, on Makoros down the Delta. This is the craft that is going to be taking us across the Delta. It's nice to be this close and to know that we're 2 days away from something we prepared 3 years for.
Boat's empty.
It took a lot for Wombo to even take us there. This 60, 70-year-old man, one of the only people existing now that knows the way, and he wanted to understand, why are you doing this? Why do you want to go to this place? No one wants to go there. It's too dangerous. There are lions, there are huge numbers of buffalo, hippo, along your way, elephant.
The water of the Okavango only flows one way, and we are going to follow it. So, 18 days, let's go and have a wilderness experience.
Oh, without a doubt, the toughest day of the expedition for me. I sat down next to my tent now. I couldn't get up. Awesome. Really, really awesome.